Okay, we're at the Navy base beach, formerly an old Navy base. Trying to have a beach day on our last day, but weather is not cooperating.
This almost always happens. So the last 2 days, those beaches were just way too crowded. We're looking for something remote.
Yes. And
So we have to jump and kill ourselves to get down to the beach.
huh, yeah, we are kind of on a cliff, aren't we? Huh. This is an
I bet
official.
there's some good shells down there.
There's a trail.
Then once you get there.
This is an official beach. It's on the books. It's on the maps. Comes along with seaweed and a steep hill, and there's thunder and lightning in the distance, which is not really a good situation for our beach. So we'll see what we got here. Doesn't look good. There's some bright light in the distance. Weather radar and all that is kind of sketchy around here, so it's hard to say what's happening. Looks like a nice beach though. We're on the Atlantic side. We'll check it out. Well, looks like we could have some good snorkeling, some good beach laying out. The good news is the burn index is low.
Just a little concerned about the lightning.
There's the lightning factor.